Hi there, my name is Thomas, and I want to talk with you a little bit about lending, crypto lending. In the moment, the situation, especially for those people who are not very wealthy, is not very comfortable. You have a lot of risks, and you have near to no yield. All over the world, the interest rate is very low. In some countries, there is something called bail-in. That means if some banks will fail, you having your funds in the bank might be held accountable for the mismanagement in the banks. So you have a risk, a high risk, lending your money, having your money in the bank, and probably near to nothing, no returns. What can you do? You might say, okay, crypto, I don't like crypto. Crypto is so volatile. Crypto is always up and down. I cannot trust, I cannot rely. On the one hand, I can understand you clearly. Some people, they just don't want to have this volatility, this up and down. But there is a way you can gain good interest without having this volatility. I want to show you how. See, in the crypto space, there is not only Bitcoin and Ether and all those altcoins who are rising one day and then falling another day. In the crypto space, there is something else, which is called stablecoins. And I want to talk about lending these stablecoins, because those stablecoins, they are pegged to the dollar. If we are talking about the Tether, USDT, or the USDC, US dollar coin, or DAI, or many others. And they are very close to the dollar. And then there are coins pegged to the yen, pegged to the pound, pegged to the euro. So you just need to transfer your money into these coins. For sure, you will have the inflation of the dollar, the euro, the whatever. But on the other hand, you are in crypto, but it's not going up and down. It is moving like the dollar is moving. It's moving like the euro is moving. I'm sharing now the page of CoinGecko. All pages I'm mentioning in this video, I will put a link below so you easily can find this. You see here, CoinGecko shows you all the cryptocurrencies, and you already can see they are very volatile. What you can see here now is the 24 hours chart of Polkadot. You see at the top, $29 US, and at the low, 26.41. I open here now the 30 days chart. It's been near to $40 at the top, and at the low, 23.96, roundabout 23 something. I clearly can understand that you don't want that. But on the other hand, there are those stable coins. You can see here now the 24 hours chart. There is a little bit up and down as well, because they have to adjust it. And if there is a strong market movement, it can go up a little bit, but you see it's here $1.01, near to $1.02. And the deepest point is 0.98. If you're looking at 30 days chart, it is a flat line. It's going a little bit up, it's going a little bit down, but only round about 1%. And this probably is an advantage, not a disadvantage. Because if you are buying the Tether, having a limit, so you can get the Tether for probably 99 cents, and the same day you can sell it for $1.01. So you can turn this disadvantage into an advantage. Anyway, lending, crypto lending, I would not suggest to do this if you are only thinking about a time span of 2 to 3 months. You should do this when you are willing to lend your coins, your money, your funds for a little bit a longer period. Okay, let's go back. Okay, that's the main page of CoinGecko again. And you can see now here all categories. I click this and just enter stable. And you see here a list of the different stable coins you could choose. You see the Chinese yuan, Great Britain stablecoin, Euro, Korean won, and the USD stablecoin. I choose now stablecoins to get a list of all of them. And you see Tether, the USDT, then is the USD coin, Binance USD, Terra USD, DAI, PEX dollar. If you want a euro one or another currency, you see here the Stasis euro, S euro. But the criteria, which stablecoin you are using, depends on the lending platform you're choosing. There are lending platforms, they only accept the Tether, the USD coin, and the DAI probably. And there are others, they accept other coins. So you always look which coin is in your lending platform and how is the yield. And on the other hand, you have an exchange, you choose an exchange, and not every exchange has every coin. I use different exchanges. Kraken is offering some of those stable coins, and it's not too expensive to send those to the lending platforms. Some lending platform you directly can buy your stable coins using your credit card or sending money there. There are different options. You will see. But at the end of the day, you'll probably end up having a yield double digit. I would say definitely above 8%. You can optimize it up to 12 or more. Stablecoin lending is not only for wealthy people. You can do it with small amounts. Save a few bucks, $50, whatever, every month. And once you have an amount which is big enough that it makes sense to send it to an exchange to buy those stable coins, you'll do so. It has also a good side, because getting their money out is a little bit of process. You have to take it out of the lending. Probably you have a fixed term of 1 month or whatever. And then you have to get it out back to the exchange and back to your currency again. So probably you have to think twice if you take the money out. I do lending over 1 year now, this way, 3 different platforms, and I'm happy with it. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and probably you like to subscribe my channel, and you never will miss out one of my next ones. See you then.